Hello and welcome to our garden. Today we are going to talk about one of the most unique and sought after flowers you can grow, Mission Giant Marigold, or known as Russian marigolds. This rare and not so common variety is sure to turn heads, and every visitor to your garden can't help ask about it. You'll be the envy of your garden friends with all these stunning blooms in your garden. So let's explore why these are a must have. First, let's talk about the beauty. Mission giant marigolds produces stunning, large, 3-inch blooms like a chrysanthemum like appearance. What's unique about these flowers is their super thin petals arranged in multiple layers, typically 50 to 60 layers of petals. This creates a truly breathtaking display of color and texture. Another advantage of this variety is its fragrance. Unlike many other marigold varieties, Mission Giant do not have an overpowering or oud scent, making them perfect for adding to arrangements or using as cut flowers. These marigolds are also a favorite among bees and other beneficial insects. They attract pollinators, which are essential for the health of your vegetables and crops. Marigolds are more than